to the Singers. My name is Tucker. My name is Parker. Today we will build this basketball hoop we got from Christmas from Nana. Daddy used this pressure washer from last video to clean his pad. Now you can open it. Now we can build it.
Yeah.
Yeah, because we just did it. It's my bird.
Chill, Parker. Chill.
That was so cool. Daddy, can I open this side?
Hang on, watch your fingers.
Huh? Oh. The other side. And the other side. I got the side. That was funny. Can I click light? Can I see? That's the one. The basketball what is that?
Yes, right.
There's a basketball rope. Here's the basketball hoop. Here's the basketball. Here. That's the basketball goal thing. When you made it in there. When you made it in there, that's where the rules go. Here it is. No, we don't need you. You need that ball. We don't need you, ball. What does number one say? What does number one say?
Let's see.
Back to your butt. What? Your butt. Hey,
You
Parker.
need those big poles.
These big balls.
Get the big poles.
Tucker, peel with those are two. Tucker, peel with the other side. The bots on me, Tucker. Tucker, with the other bots. Put this over here. And put this right there. Ah. Woo! That was after that we made this.
Not yet.
Hello. Wheels. I'm gonna try to put this up.
Hang on.
Oh, I'm far.
Hang on.
There.
Hey, Parker. Can you go get us a Walmart bag?
Sure.
Go get some Walmart bag.
Daddy, what's part two?
We're going to wait for Parker.
Oh. Look.
You want to take the plastic off of that?
I've been needing one of these. I've been wanting to do one of these. It doesn't play it here because it's too windy. Ready? So I got it. Hey Parker, I want to do one. It's so good. Here, can I open myself? Can you open it now?
Yeah, you can open that one.
Can I open my hand? No, I got
Parker won't
Parker.
open it.
Hey, can I open this one?
Not yet.
When he's done. Look, I can pick this up. Parker, But I can do this. Yes. Parker, that looks so big. Parker, I did those poles. I think I'm letting you do that one. I'm doing this one like this. And this.
Now get
No.
both of them.
It's my turn.
Not yet.
Okay. Go to board, Daddy. Daddy,
Right,
and where we need? Oh, this is the bottom. Now what, Daddy? What we need this piece?
Here, come here.
Now we need this piece.
Not right now.
Yes.
Put the trash in the bag over here.
Yes.
Here, let's put this over here for right now.
Okay.
Okay. Take this, put it through there.
Dad, can you do one? Dad, this is too big to put in the trash bag. What do I need? That is too big to put in the trash bag. Can I try? I got it.
Put it on
Dad,
the other side.
can you do one?
Watch your first. First.
Dad, can you do one?
Yeah, Parker.
No.
Flip it over. Flip it over.
I got it.
Yeah, next one.
Can you do one? I did it!
Good job.
I timed it. Is that timed in enough? Daddy, can't believe I tightened it.
Yeah.
Daddy, and can I open this big one?
Not right yet. Yeah, you can open it.
Thank you. Can I? No. Okay. Hey, can I open it right now?
Yeah, that's fine.
Wait, can you touch this one?
Get your bottom, Parker. Over there. Get the piece over.
The basketball hoop?
Yeah, set it up here.
I'm gonna open over
Yeah.
here. Where the kids can see it. I got the basketball hoop.
Not, we don't need that piece of shit.
I'm gonna open it right here. When I'm opening it, Happy, can you help me with the pad?
Get the little part. Yep, get those.
The wheels.
Yep, and get that piece. That bag.
Can you get everything out?
Yep, hand it off to me.
Let me help you do those pieces. Like you teach me how to do those pieces.
Yeah.
Can you do that wheel?
Put it through there.
Well, you had tape on it. I tape on it.
Hang on, hold it right there. I'll get that piece.
Who puts tape on basketball things? Who puts tape on basketball things? It's good. Parker, you can fill it. Okay, you can fill the glass. It's all in. It's all out.
Let me see if I can see. Let me help you. All right, push it.
Parker, I got the basketball glass.
Push, 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 push. Ah, there you go.
It shows down.
Get your other wheel.
You do that because I know how to do that. You do
Yeah, push it. Push, 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 push. Need some milk?
Nope, I got it. Hello.
There you go. Good job. Now sit this down. Just yet.
Here, here. Up here. Put the ball through there. Put your washer on here. I'm gonna hold it. Put that on there. Alright, get her wrenches for us.
Our wrenches?
Not the knife. The wrenches.
We do the winch.
Yeah, I'm gonna tighten it up.
I could do the tie. We had two.
Okay.
Can you do the tie?
Use this side. Here. I'm gonna hold this side.
Okay.
Here, you use this one. Push it down. Other down. Down, down.
Yeah. Yeah. Hey, Daddy, good.
Down. There you go. Pull towards us. Pull towards us.
Daddy, do you know I
Hey, you wanna
was
hold it
kind
for
of
me?
using
Here,
these
hold it for me.
like these?
Yeah.
I love you. Now, can you try now?
Hang on. Get it.
I'm the little lamb.
Hold that.
I'm whole.
You're so strong.
They're like little speedy things. Daddy, they're like little things, Daddy.
Through there. Put it through there.
Daddy, where are the handles?
Hang on, Parker.
Right here?
Here, let me help Parker. Let me put the bolt. Let me put the nut on the bottom.
It's on the very bottom. Boop. Dad, can we help you?
Hang on, let me. Here, I got it.
I can help you. I can see help you. It's good where you can see. Now we have to move the 14 or this side or this side. This
You're going
side.
to use the 14, and I'm going to use the 13.
And then on the other side.
Push it that way.
Okay. That won't go that long if you don't tighten this.
Right. Other way, Parker. Pull towards you. Can you finish tightening?
Good.
Let's get Tucker's side in there.
It's so hard because look, it's still turning.
It's okay, I'll help you.
I got it. Because it's so hard. Because it was blocking
Put that
me
side through there.
right here.
It's okay, I'll help.
I'm trying to find it by the day. So I got the basketball strings.
Yeah, we'll get that on here in just a little bit.
I did it.
Good
Daddy?
job, Tucker.
What?
Good job.
Thanks. It's blue, red. It's like America. It's America one.
You want to hold the
'Cause
bottom
it's
with
blue.
13? Hold the bottom one.
Screw with
Yeah.
the 13.
Yeah, put the 13 on there. Tell me when you got it.
Okay, I don't got it. This goes right here.
No, that won't go there.
I got it. I got it. Right here.
Not yet.
Tucker?
Yeah. It doesn't go all the way.
Here, let me see it.
It doesn't go all the way.
Leave the bolts on.
One more twist. I'm on my wrench.
Let me hold it. Let me help you.
Okay, that almost ready
We're almost done.
to practice.
Yeah.
To practice the
We're gonna
hoop.
play basketball.
Or you gonna try to get it higher? This is how you get it higher.
Yeah.
This bigger pole.
Yeah.
I want to make it higher.
It's gonna be hard.
And what happens if we lower it down? That'll be okay if you lower it down. Is that okay if I lower it
We're gonna make it taller.
What?
It's gonna be like the basketball goal for basketball practice.
It's gonna be like the same.
Yep. It's gonna be the exact same.
Daddy, like, I look like four.
Yeah.
Like in the camera, I look like four.
Yeah.
It's off. No, you don't. Yes, you do. Daddy, there's some plastic. There's some little plastic peeling off, and I think we had to peel it off because it has a sticker.
Let's see. We need this piece.
And this piece. It's my turn, Daddy.
Just a second. Let me figure out what we need.
Is it my turn? Please put these on. Daddy, look. I'm a mom.
Good monkey.
Look, I made a marshmallow. There's something on the top. There's something on the top. There's a sticker. Hey, Daddy, that sticker
Don't
orange. We have to peel it. Can you put the tie down on
Put
you?
that bolt in there.
Hey, look at me.
Tucker, come here.
Tie it in, Daddy. What do I do? Wrench it in?
Put this one in.
Do I wrench it in?
Parker, put this one in. Or Tucker, put this one
There, look, I already did it.
in. Oh, wait, hang on.
It's already tied up.
Hang on. Hang on, Tucker.
I'm gonna start one more time.
Put that one.
I put it in because I don't have to tie. No, I'm gonna use the wrench. Daddy, can I use the wrench instead?
Yeah, just a little bit.
I did it all by my fingers. That was I'm all done with my fingers. I tightened it in with my fingers. Now I can turn. I want to use the wrench. The wrench is way much better. No! The wrench I'm a sicko! I'm on it.
You get it in there, Tucker?
I need a wrench.
No, you don't. No, you gotta start with your hand.
Sea cow. I'm an Arctic sea cow. I'm an Arctic sea cow. Whee! Apple games. We play tic-tac-toe. No. No. Wait, tic-tac-toe.
Should we cover it?
Yes.
Okay.
Arctic sea cow. Mine goes like this. Mine is Arctic sea cow. We do punch. That's working.
Yeah.
If you do that side,
Hang on.
Daddy, are we gonna use these wrenches?
Just a little
We're
bit.
moving the winches on this side.
Just a little bit.
Okay. Is it my turn? Now we can do that, Daddy. Ah. Let me help you.
Hang on, Parker. Hang on, Parker. Thank you.
You're welcome.
All right, put it up there. All right. Now we're gonna put this. Put it right there. Put that one right there. Here. Put some washers on there. Put it on this one.
Oh,
Put one on each one.
other side.
Now put the blue up. The blue goes up. There you go. Good job.
It doesn't let me
Oh.
tie.
Hang on just a second. I forgot something.
I tied it.
Hang on just a second. I forgot something.
What?
I forgot the hoop. We forgot to put the hoop on.
Who?
Yeah, hang on.
Who?
Let's take this off.
Uh-oh, I tightened the
Let me
blue.
see.
Hi, can I hold the blue?
I'm gonna put it right back over here for right now.
Was mine too hard?
Yeah, it's pretty hard.
I know how. I have 4 squares. We'll get
Okay, hold.
the hoop piece. I got the hoop piece. The American thing. I got the American thing, Daddy. Daddy, can I do it? I don't want much better. This would look like it's. We have to take it off.
This off.
Take that off. And then take this off too. Take all of
Now
this.
leave that on. Leave that on. See the hoop, please. Can you hold that for me? Hold it tight. Don't let it go nowhere.
I think we can hold it.
Hold it tight.
Hello! Touchy, 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 touchy. Touchy, 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 touchy.
Alright, I'm gonna lay it down.
Our pixie cat.
Okay?
Yeah.
Oh,
Everything's okay. I think everything's okay.
hang on. Here, let me do something different.
Okay. You, me, 9.
Alright. Put your washer on there.
My washer.
Hang on, Parker. Not that one.
My washer.
Not that one just yet. No.
My
Here,
washer.
get this piece.
Your washer.
Put your washer on there, Parker.
Your washer. Here's your other washer.
That's a nut, Parker. Put the nut on there. Blue side up.
In case you know, we are the Miss Basketball hoop.
Alright, get the other one on there. Get this.
I found the blue one. I can touch it. Touchy. Touchy. I can touch it. Touchy.
Get it on there.
I'm trying to touch it. Touchy.
Tucker, you want to do this one?
Yes.
Where's your washer?
I got it. My other washer.
Alright, bring it over here.
Okay. It's that one.
Put it on there.
Daddy.
Put it right here.
Dad, you were trying to making it go down.
It's okay. Put the nut on there. Blue side up.
I did. That would.
It's okay, Parker. We'll tighten up in just a minute.
Could I tighten
Yeah, just a minute.
Daddy, you're tight.
I gotta tighten these other ones first.
Dad, please stand on this
No,
plastic.
don't stand on it.
Feed me, please.
Don't stand on
Red and white. You.
it. Just a minute, Parker.
I think I can really put my head in it.
Don't do that, Parker.
And I can catch myself for it.
Don't put it on your head.
I can catch. This is like a fishy pot. A fishy tot? A fishy tot. That guy. I wonder if it's beautiful. It's beautiful. One a fishy. One in a dog. I'm cool and I'm going in my lap.
Parker's going in his box.
What?
Said Parker's going in his box.
Burger made it even better, right? Yeah. You're welcome. Thank you. You're welcome, partner. Thank you. For the what? Let me out for my neck.
They gave you an extra
Dad
net.
gave me a basic.
I think they gave you two. I don't need a Band-Aid.
I heard of extra net.
You okay?
I don't know how they got us extra net.
Put this in the trash.
I don't know how I got us extra net.
Look, they gave us an extra one.
Yeah. To put it in scary. Move. Move. Daddy really touched it. Look at this. Look at that. Let's go over here and I think I can make it. Daddy, I think I can make it, Daddy.
You made it.
Yeah. It's not too high. It's not high. Can I go higher?
Yeah, it'll go higher.
How?
I'm gonna raise it.
Can you show me? Daddy, can I test it first? And first, can I test it?
Yeah, just a little bit.
Okay. And I'm the first one to test it. And I'm the first one to test it. It's not good. You tested on the bots. I'm the first one to test it. Sorry, guys. Good idea. No. Is it my turn?
Not yet.
Is it good to test?
We're gonna fill it up with water first.
Fill up with water? Why would you do that? We have to
Make
fill
it
it
steady.
with water
Yeah, hang on.
to get it.
Let me go get the water hose.
That I'm
That's
I literally turned it on. It wouldn't make it work.
okay, all the way up.
Yes. Wait, check.
Oh, hang on. There it is.
Why? Oh, it's right there. How do you get it out? Then why we need to fill with water? Can you help you?
That's pretty.
Parker, it's so hard. back in? It's really gross.
Yeah, you get the wrench.
It's. Put it in the slime. Yeah, I'm getting something. Put it in the slime. Daddy, can I put this in the garage?
No, we need it. We're not done yet.
Where's the put
We're going to put it in the basketball court in a minute.
Daddy, I got this airplane out of the ceiling.
Oh, wow.
And I want to wash it off my daily.
Okay. You like sand.
Cause I got it. It's floating. Lucy, it's floating. Can I wash my monster truck? Can I wash my monster truck?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, monster truck. Gonna wash it. Look at that. Look at that. He's all clean. Mine is all clean. Mine's all clean. That's how you do it. Daddy,
Yeah, buddy.
is it almost full?
Almost.
Okay. Daddy, can I turn it off? Dad, clean the back up.
Not yet.
Cause it's dirty. Can I? Can you let me turn it off?
When it's full.
When it's full?
Yeah, still filling.
Thank you.
Not yet, Tucker.
Daddy, why are you doing that?
Huh?
Why are you doing that, Daddy?
Because I put it on the wrong way.
Why we read these?
Wait.
Those black things.
Alright, cut it off, Tucker.
We'll take the hose out.
Alright, take those out.
Hidden. I got out the hose.
Take those out.
Don't get it on me.
It's all full.
Can I test it?
It's not ready yet. Hang on.
Oh.
Hang on. Almost done.
My almost. My monster's taking a bath. My backhoe's taking a bath too. Backhoe. Daddy, can I'm the first one to try it. Daddy, am I the first one to try it?
Yeah, y'all are going to be the first ones to try it.
I'll get my record off. I'm the first one.
Hang on. We got to clean up our mess first.
Wait, I got an idea. Can you put on no face? It's so fun. I like basketball. I'm on basketball. Not painting.
Alright, let me get the table out of the way first. I got to move the basketball goal, okay?
Okay.
Get your basketball.
Put my basketball.
There.
I'm gonna try to put it. Where?
Look, hit the square.
Okay.
Oh.
Where did I get it?
Hit the square.
Okay.
Apart. Push it apart.
Whoop. that card. Sometimes I don't get it, but
So close.
I got it. 100.
Hit the square.
I'm gonna try that one
Don't we use?
instead.
Hit the square.
Okay.
Throw it hard.
Whee!
Ugh, so close. You made it.
One more.
Ah, are you gonna dunk it? Come here. Come here. Ah.